Hello and welcome to another episode of how to access your teacher's portal on Kralis.app. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to enroll a student in a section and how to check the results of students in that particular section that you have enrolled the student in. So we are going to quickly go to the drop down menu by the left hand side and we're going to click on it. So we're going to be going to the SRMS because that's where we'll be doing the enrollment. And then you click on it, you click on score sheets, you select the academic year, which is 2023-2024. Select the term, which is first term. We're going to be selecting the class. We're going to be selecting the section, that's section A. Now we're going to select the subject. So now you click on this, it's going to be showing no entry because there is no student enrolled in that section yet. So this is where we're going to be enrolling the student by clicking on the enrollment management button. In the previous video I talked about the result and the subject. For now I'm going to be talking about the section. So now you're going to search. When you click on search, you're going to be seeing all the students in JSS1. So now you're going to be enrolling some students in JSS1A by ticking on the box as you could see below. So when you tick the desired number that you want, you're going to be updating. So for this video I'm going to be putting 10 students in JSS1A. So now when I'm done clicking, as you could see, I've clicked on 10 students. Remember we have 25 students in JSS1, so I clicked on 10 students for section A. Now when I'm done with that, I'm going to be updating, clicking on the update button. This takes a while to update, but then when it updates, it's going to be showing on your screen the whole 10 students that I have added to JSS1 section A. So it takes a while, always remember that. Now when it does, it's going to be showing, as you could see in the screen, that 10 entries successfully. So I've automatically added 10 students to JSS1A. As you could see in your screen, we have junior secondary 1A. Now you could load this if you want to. Now let's go and check the results for junior secondary 1A. So as you could see in your screen, we have the names of the people I added in the section A. As you could see, you have their name and then their section with their class. So making sure that all is updated, you check the section again to see all the people in the section. So now you're going to go back and now we're going to be checking the results for JSS1A. Now we're going to click on results, we're going to select the year, we're going to select the term, we're going to be selecting the class, and then we're going to be selecting the class option after selecting the class. Now we have JSS1, I'm going to select A and you go to results. So this is going to be showing you all the results for those in JSS1A section. As you can see on your screen, we have 3 entries out of 10, so you could load it to actually see all the students in JSS1A, their results. So now this is all for adding students to section and checking their results using their class section. We're going to go back to the home page. So this is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you love the video.